This AgVision program is made possible through the generous support of Syngenta Seeds NK brand, the results you need, the freedom to choose. And by farms.com, ag news, market prices, ag careers, and farm real estate. You'll find it all at farms.com.
Can you please come and fix our daughter-in-law? I will often get some version of this question at the beginning of an assignment. Or, if only our son hadn't married that woman. She's causing our son to be surly. Or, now that our son is married, he's so uncooperative. He was never this way before. Or, why is it that we never see our first grandchild? Our daughter-in-law is withholding him from us. We don't deserve this kind of rejection. Now, I don't want to minimize legitimate grounds of conflict and deep-seated differences, or even personality clashes that can exist in every farm family. But it is often too easy to pick on the in-laws, or the outlaws as they're affectionately referred to. One particular set of farm parents who bitterly complained to me about their daughter-in-law withholding their first grandchild asked me to explore the situation. So this is what I heard from their son and daughter-in-law. The son felt that he was being overworked and underpaid on the farm. His wife, the daughter-in-law, felt compelled to return to a job to support the family much sooner than she wanted to because her husband, the son, was not able to or was not allowed to negotiate a new compensation package with the owner of the farm business, namely his dad. So this daughter-in-law was so angry at her husband's family that she felt the only way she could communicate back to them was to withhold their grandchild. Can you imagine how much this hurt the grandparents? But this is a rather common example of employer and employee not communicating regarding a workplace issue, and unfortunately the negative repercussions being felt within the family. The real difficulty for the parents was their insensitivity to some real serious changes. They found it difficult to accept that their son had chosen a life partner that they might not have chosen for him, and that his loyalty was shifting to his own family, as it needs to, and that his loyalty could at times conflict with the unquestioning loyalty desired by his parents. And of course, the real difficulty for the next generation, the son and the daughter-in-law, was that they wanted a measure of control over their own future. Now that they had their own child, I imagine they were beginning to think and at least dream about what that baby would someday become and what they wanted to provide for that child. They were beginning to plan for their own family's future. In the meantime, they didn't want to have to run back to their parents whenever they needed a raise, which feels just like a handout. If a common request by the parents is, please fix our daughter-in-law, then one of the common requests from the next generation is, hey, there's no planning. Where are we going? Unfortunately, many parents interpret this question as criticism and feel that their children are moving far too quickly. Remember, in a family farm business, we can't fix each other, but we can all learn to be more tolerant of changes and become more accepting of each other's vulnerabilities, particularly during our natural life stage transitions. I'm Dr. John Fast.